Hey world, nice to see you again. On today's fun segment, we wanted to find the value of this expression 78 divided by 1 over 66, then times 66. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 66 divided by 66, which equals 1. So here we have just 1, and 78 divided by 1 equals 78. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 78 divided by 1 over 66. To do this division, write down the 78 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 66 over 1, which gives 66. And here again we have times 66. 78 times 66 gives us 5,148. So 5,148 times 66, which equals 339,768. And so our final answer to this problem is just 339,768. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks.